Hello everyone and welcome. Today I have a small thrift haul, a small rainbow haul, and a Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to start off with the Dollar Tree haul. Let's do that first. How about that? Yeah, it's the largest. So, okay, I picked up a couple of more of these wooden like Christmas or gingerbread houses. Pretty cute. You could do a lot with these. I don't know if you guys remember me saying that I was looking for an incense holder, and Dollar Tree used to carry them, and I haven't seen one in a while. But I bought a package. I don't know. I put it away already. It comes in a narrow box like that with incense, and it brings a incense holder. So I picked one of those up. Well, I've been checking this out in Dollar Tree for months now, and always wondering, what is that? Is it a flower? Is it decor, home decor? Why does that have a hole there? Is it an ashtray? No, it can't be an ashtray, right? Then I turn it around, and lo and behold, incense holder. That's what that is. It's an incense holder. So this will be good for my larger incense. Who knew, right? Well, I didn't. Truth be told, I had no idea. So I picked that up in black. They had white, glossy one, round. They had a gray, a few colors, but I chose that one. Picked this up for my granddaughter. She loves butterflies. It's cute. It says here, butterfly holographic zipper bag. See inside. And just like her favorite color is baby blue, so that's why the background is that blue holographic. It's really pretty. I like that. You guys already know I cannot pass by the hair aisle. Only if I see something I like, though. So I picked this up. It's a hair clip. I love it's like the tortoise shell. I love that. I love that detail. It's really pretty. And pick this one up as well. This looks like a gold tone, but it's plastic, but it looks metal, right? Love it. Really pretty. So I picked those up for more. So I love to dress my hair up. I gotta start doing hair videos again, hair tutorials. Picked up some more of these. And this is by Christmas House. Wait a minute. These houses are by Crafter Square. I'm sorry. It says Crafter Square, and it'll say decor. Those are the houses. Sorry about that. Okay, these are by Christmas House, and it's 6 flashing LED lights. And those are the vintage, like old-fashioned style Christmas lights we had when I was a little girl. Yeah, it's a lot you can do with these. I have some from last year. Whether they work or not, I'm gonna use them as part. Well, I'll show you guys when I'm ready to do it. Picked up from Cobblestone Corners, a Winter Village, but these are 2-piece miniatures. The flock pine trees, a large one and a smaller one. Yeah, show you what I'm gonna do with those at a later date. This is by Christmas House also. It's a garland, and it's 15 feet. If they still have more, I'm gonna pick up a couple more when I go back, because I have an idea for those. Yeah, here goes more of the Christmas houses. Oh no, I think I forgot the gingerbread man. Right in the other bag. Anyways, I'll save that for another haul. Okay. Picked up some of these from Crafter Square. These two are self-adhesive, so I'm gonna start off with this one. This is like stencils. It's like borders. Like you can create a border on anything with this. It's beautiful. Self-adhesive, yes. Crafter Square. This one is also self-adhesive, Crafter Square. This one is butterflies. And then this one is just a hard plastic, and it's just a stencil. It's not self-adhesive. These are other butterflies. Beautiful, right? Let you guys see stuff I'm going to create. Yes, sir. Pick up 2 of these LED candles, LED pillar candles by Luminescence. And I'll put them here, so I'm going to show you guys why I picked those up. Pick up some more of these Christmas trees, 6 in a package. These are white. I picked up 3 of these bracelet bead kits, 6+ in age. It's cute for a little girl. It includes 1 black elastic, 1 bag of multicolored beads, 1 bag of metallic silver beads, 1 bag of heart and star shaped beads, and 1 instruction sheet. It's good for a stocking stuffer. Why not? For the little ones. Okay, so hold on. Hey, where's the other one? Hello. Yeah. There it goes. Excuse me. Picked up 2 of these pillars in black, the round ones. They also have them in square shape. Yeah, it's for these. Pretty. Let's see something. Yeah. So that's what those are for. And picked up a 4-pack of these, and these are candle holders. They're clear. There's 4 in there. And these are glass. Picked up more of these. Just take them all out. I grab them all at once. Yeah. Anyways, these are by Orb Sensory Pop Tubes. They look like. Only had the red and the blue. I had no other colors. So pick those up again because I already have those. This is from other children. Yeah. One second though. I'm missing one of these. Any day now, Rose. Any day. What in the world, right? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna hold off on that. Picked up these again. I don't know if I can find them. But it says Crafter Square, 8 pieces, and they're wood shapes, and these are snowmen. And these are Crafter Square wood shapes. Again, 8 pieces, and these are the Christmas trees. So you could use these for different things. I'll show you another time. Here they go. The other Orb Sensory Stretch Pals. Put it in like a lilac, a pink. These are repurchased, and a blue, pretty powder blue. Pick those up again, repurchased as I said. And I saw these, and I said these would make nice gifts, especially if you personalize them. Because I mean, you can give them out like this, but I'm planning on doing something different. It comes with the keys, 2 keys and a lock. Diary. As I said, you can give them out like this, This is the other style they have. You are a rainbow of possibilities. Or you can customize them. So yeah, let you guys know how that comes along. Well, I'll do a video on it when I decide. And I'm gonna do it. Oh yeah, and also from Dollar Tree. I got this from my mother-in-law. She was looking for these. They don't have them around her way. So it's by Christmas House 10-piece LED wire lights. Picked that up for her. Picked up a few of these. Last time it was the purse one. This one's the backpack. This one's the animal friends. And the stickers to the first one are really cute. And so are these. They're adorable. And you got your stickers and pages to cover. Little activities to do and stuff. Really cute. See? Names. Coloring pages. So pretty. So precious. My husband picked these up for our nephew. This is by Matchbox. And this is the MBX backhoe. There's the name right there. Isn't that cute? Jonathan. These are for Jonathan. Pick this up. Some vacation play set. The car is metal, die-cast metal, and this is plastic. The camper is cute though. I think it's adorable. So it's not Matchbox or Hot Wheels, but it's still cute. It's still playable. This is by Final Faction. It looks like one of those Transformer characters, right? It's in blue. And this little military, well, it says Alpha Team 1. It's got a helmet and a weapon there. He's really cool. I love military, you guys know. Those of you who don't know me like that or just new, I'm a veteran. I'm a United States Army veteran. And I also served in the National Guard. Again by Final Faction. Weapons pack heavy arms. And this one brings 5 weapons. That's so cool for $1. That's nice. It goes with him. This is awesome buy. I think it's an awesome buy, if you ask me. So, my beautiful friends, that is it. Oh no, excuse me, I'm sorry. I've been looking for a Rose of Jericho, a Flor de Jericho, for a while. Well, I noticed some in the window of this store and it turned out to be a Botanica. But I wanted it so bad, so I picked one up. Rose of Jericho, Flor de Jericho. You're probably saying, what is that dried up, dead looking thing? You guys will see what I do with this really soon. So, yeah. That was it. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please subscribe, comment, rate, hit the notification bell, share if you like. Because there's a lot of things that I'm looking forward to doing. And I need help. This is our channel. So let's help each other out, okay? It's free. I promise you it's free. So comment, rate, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share. It's all free. Isn't that great? So yeah, till next time, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.